Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to fix TikTok crashing. If it freezes and doesn't work on your phones, please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Put likes. Let's solve this problem. Here we go. The first thing we do if our TikTok doesn't work. We go in and it's not working. We need to go to Settings on any device. And then we need to go to Apps. Then we need to open Manage Apps. And then wait for it to load like this. And then we're gonna go to the search box at the top and we're gonna type in TikTok. And find it. Then you have to open storage and clear the cache. After we have cleared the cache, we try to enter TikTok. And if it does not work, then we click Clear Cache and Data. After that, we log out. And one more thing you can do is go to the Play Store, search for TikTok, and try to update this app. If it hasn't updated you, then maybe that's why it crashes and doesn't work. Try to update it. If it doesn't work either, click Uninstall. And delete, then go to Google Play Store and download it again. And the last way is try pressing the off button. Turn off your cell phone and then turn it back on, and you can reboot it. And after that, I think you'll have this problem fixed. TikTok will no longer crash, freeze, and so on. That is, all you will work. If you liked and helped this video, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.